Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Translation. When Lord Nrsingadeva saw the small boy Prahlad Maharaj prostrated at the soles of his lotus feet, he became most ecstatic in affection towards his devotee. Raising Prahlad, the Lord placed his lotus hand upon the boy's head, because his hand is always ready to create fearlessness in all of his devotees.
Sapadamule patitam tamadbhagam vilakka deva kripaya pariprata utthya srishni adada karambijam kalahi vitasya dhyan pitabhayam. So, to become devotee or favorite to the Supreme Personality of Godhead is very easy. It is not at all difficult. Here we see the example, Prahlad Maharaj, a 5-year-old. He is a devotee, he only knows the Supreme Lord and he offered obeisance. That is his qualification. Anyone can do that. Anyone can come here in the temple and offer obeisances. Where is the difficulty? Simply one must have the sense that here is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna or Nrsingadev, or any one of his multi-expansion. In this Shastra it is said, Advaita yacchate anadi ananta rupam. Krishna has ananta rupam. Therefore, every rupa is expansion of Krishna's original rupa. The original rupa is Krishna. Krishna Su Bhagavan Sa. Then there are so many rupas, Rama, Nrsinga, Varaha, Balaram, Parasuram, Mean, Tortoise, Nrsingadev. Ramadi Murti Sukala Niyamena Tishthan. He is always existing with different forms. Not that he is existing only in Krishna form. Every form, Ramadi Murtisu. The same example as we have given many times, that as the sun, time of sun, 24 hours. So, out of the 24 hours or 24 incarnation, any time is present. It is not that now it is say 8 o'clock, then 7 o'clock is finished. No, there is 7 o'clock in any other part of the world. Or 9 o'clock, and 9 o'clock is also present. 12 o'clock is also present. We have got one watch given by Guru Kripa Maharaj. He has brought from Japan. It is very nice. Immediately you can see what is the time now in different places. Immediately. So all of them are existing. Therefore Krishna's Leela is called Nitya Leela. Not that one Leela is going on, other Leela is finished. No. Everything is existing simultaneously. Therefore this word is used Ramadi Murtishu. Ramadi Murtishu Kala Niyamena. Niyamena. Exactly in due time, just like the sun. Exactly. Formerly there was no watch, but by the shadow one could study. You can study now also, even now. In our childhood, we used to study by seeing the shadow. Now it is this time, and exactly the same time. So, Kala Niyamena Tishtham. Not that haphazardly. Now, this shadow is 1 o'clock here and next day 1 o'clock there. No, the same place you will find. Kala Niyamena Tishtham. Similarly, Krishna's Leela Niyamena Tishtham. Exactly. There are innumerable universes. Here Krishna is born. Now Krishna is taken by Vasudeva to Vrindavan. Same, immediately here born, Krishna has gone to Vrindavan. In another universe, Krishna is born. Krishna is born. Amen. In this way his Leela is going on. There is no cessation. Neither there is any discrepancy of time. Exactly. Just like Krishna comes upon this earth once in Brahma's day. So many millions of years, Krishna will appear again. If not personally, by his expansion, Angshena, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will appear exactly in due course of time. Lord Ramchandra will appear. So Ramadimurti Sukala Niyamena Tishtham. So this Leela, Nishingadev, that is also exactly in time. The Sapadamulang Patitang Tam Ardhakam, very innocent child. An innocent child like Prahlad Maharaj, he can get so much mercy of Nishingadev, so fearful appearance of the Lord, that even Lakshmi could not approach. Asuta, Adristya Asuta Purva. There was no such form of the Lord. Even Lakshmi did not know. But Prahlad Maharaj, he is not afraid. He knows, here is my Lord. Just like the cub of a lion, he is not afraid of the lion. He immediately jumps to the head of the lion. Because he knows, it is my father, it is my mother. Similarly, Prahlad Maharaj is not afraid. Although Brahma and others, all demigods became afraid to approach the Lord, he simply, as an innocent child, came and offered his obeisance. Samadbhakam, Vilokya. So, the God is not impersonal. Immediately he could understand, here is an innocent child. He has been harassed by his father so much, and now he is offering his obeisances unto me. Vilakya Deva Kripaya Pariprita. He become very much, melted with mercy. The thing, everything is there.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,